on, boom, by the time I focus on the man pack one gun for me. Don't move.
To me no all like Papa P, like fuck up P. Heavy when me roll up, y'all tap a pre. Jaws off a Japanese, beat up a property. Me no fi jokey like a maca tree. Chew me thing I go and go, she want shakka D. Me girl a follow like them.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tyra and I'm back with another video. Now as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, you don't know what we're going to do. I'm going to story time of when I got robbed. Now if you want to know where your girl Tyra is today, I am in Portmore, the land of yeah guys, so if you want to know where your girl Tyra is today, I'm in Portmore with my granddad. Yes, I'm in Waterford today guys, and I'm here to give you a story time. Yeah, so I'm coming up from my grandfather guys. I'm decided to not leave without me going on a video over here, so I never know for those, so I'm going to the story time.
5 minutes later.
So guys, let me start the story. I yes or no. Anyway, we decided so we're going to go to a club. Back now at 2012. Yeah, we decided so we're going to shades. Yeah. So two friends are going to shades already. And we say, alright, we'll come. But they tell me they have one bar for me yard. So me know, I say alright, we're going to shades and I come meet you because I never ready for that bar yet, but I make some more money first. So I did one after about, but after 10 now, we lock up the bar now, so we'll get ready. Alright, so me and the friends start get ready now. Put on our clothes, girl put on our battery ride and yeah, get things tie up belly skin and yeah, we got shades now. So girl will leave out. When we leave out now, I just want to taxi a pass. So they say, I feel like I'm not what. I say, alright. So my friend say, yeah man, oh walk. Because I think she support me like, yeah. So I say, yo, we go walk. And she say, yeah man, I walk. Anyway, every day I walk, no, we are walking and I walk. Pass back factory down on that spot, you know. And I walk and I go on. Everything good and we are chatting and go on. And I talk about what we're going to do, we got shit so nice. So guys, I go past that factory and I go down for the pizza stretch there. So by the time we turn to go down in what you town now, like we see the car come from down the road, right? So me I look back at me, but I don't really take it for nothing. I say maybe I want taxi because I over taxi run a fast line. So me I say yo, yeah, we want taxi. That's why we are walking a taxi. And we, yeah, we got shades up in the room. When I come home, anyway, the car stopped. My mother know, you know, it's a different story. My mother is always with one person. Everybody know my mother. So the car stopped now, and this money where I drive the car, I say, call my mother name like that. My mother name Wally B. Call my mother name like that. I say, Wally B. And I turn around and I say, Wally B, yeah, what one? So me with my enough self, like I'm in name Wally B, gone over, gone ding office. This is by the time I forgot so. I ding off the man face. The man just back one gun for me. The man just back one gun for me. My friend follow back at me too, you know, run come over there to stand up a window. Because the person come by my mother name and say, yo, I'm the only pit in my mother house. Me, I the only pit in my mother house. So if somebody come by my mother name, basically they know me. So me gone now, but yeah man, what go on? Boom, by the time I forgot, so the man pack one gun for me. Don't move. See me? Stop. Couldn't move. Yes, it is real. I want to play with me. So, me no move. So the girl turn upside and be now. We turn up there, so and he say, give me the phone. So we give me phone. So we see that the man they have one in the driver's seat, one in the passenger seat, one behind the driver and one behind the passenger. But me the only thing because the driver alone, the car when you go up there now and the man. But they go now and go some and look because like the glass there. So we're looking at the back now, I see two men around there. I shuffle up, so I have to boom, boom, bad. I rub it this now, you know, get rubbed now, you know, so I look for my friend. And I say, bomba, and I start praying him, because I get prayed on the man, say, oh, give me the phone. And we give him the phone, and then take out the chip them out of the phone, and take the phone them, you know, and he said, give me the purse. And we say, oh, we don't have no money, we don't have no money. And I say, one minute, we don't have the money, oh, we don't have the money, I want to look for Atago, we don't look for Atago. Eh, one go, if we don't have the money, give me the purse. So, give me a purse. But my friend never had no purse, so my friend just take out a shove in her pocket and give him. So, the man searched the purse and took out what I having in my purse and put the phone chip. The only good thing about them thief there is that them put the chip, them put the phone chip back in my purse. So me and I have a chip, so they have a number of contact same way, so we could have called everybody and then so we get robbed. But you know what the man them do now, so after they take out the money out of the purse, put in the chip in the purse, give that back the purse. You want the man themselves to do? Run.
Run.
Run. Hey! When me turn around and took off, I know I'm in there front. But when me run now, and I look back at me, because I know the man in the driver going to run after them. So when me run on and look back at me can't see my friend. So me I see one friend there. So me wonder what the fuck up there. So me run and I call him. Then also me have to go tell him that friend your name. Because I not tell him that friend your name, you know, the story that I organized though. We all who know Tanisha. Tanisha was the friend. I don't know so Tanisha. Who knows Tanisha Fatara? Just listen in the comment section, let me know if you know Tanisha. So when you know Tanisha Fatara, so you see when the man say run, I mean run up, and I say yes, and me I lead the way now, 100 me are going up, Mr. When me look back at me not see Tanisha, what me say? What Tanisha there? What me run the same way now? They say me look in front of me, Tanisha they about 100 miles down there for 2 Me say guys, when me look at it, Tanisha, donkey let me a go down, all me a run, me can't catch back. I say, when Tanisha pass me. Me say, all the man them will rob me, supposed to in a car laugh after me, you say Tanisha run past me one. Me say, yo, I have to look on Tanisha. We don't run now and we say we see if everything I look on Tanisha. I say, Tanisha. You used to run a school. Me say, girl, you used to run a school, but no, me used to run a school. And I tell the girl, took off left me. And me I say, yo, no man, Daggett. And me I say, yo, dog. Oh, you run left me. I say, yeah, the man is around. Me say, yo, we say, me and Tanisha down the road. Me say, yo, dog. Remember me telling the man, me say, friend that, guys, me never walk out with you. Me never walk out with you again. The man say run and Tanisha run blows and spirit left me can't be so Tanisha fast. Tanisha faster than 10 man put together. Tanisha fast I can't please. Me say, I couldn't believe how Tanisha just run left me. Yeah, but the good thing about it is they give out with chips, so when we reach home now, we start bawling, we get robbed and a bang. Then just say what you're going to have a life and think about with chips, so we can beg one phone and get one phone somewhere and get one phone for and use until our life not gone, so we'll go down. And I say, you know what, yeah, maybe just stop bad because, girl, Tanisha left me in the process. We can't believe. The girl run left me. Like, girl, you be wasting time. Ta-ta. He said Tanisha leave me 100. He said, guys, boy. That was a day and a half. So guys, I'm telling you, I say, well, not the road, be careful guys, because you don't know what, because the man come by my mother name, you know. The man come by my mother name, I know my mother only child. So I say, if you know my mother, you have to know me. Oh man. That man know my mother, I know that man know my mother. You know my mother. But that money they done long time. Mama would probably kill him already or whatever. But me I say guys, I said this, I said that, I said this guys. When they're on the road, be carefully here. Although I don't know, so nobody's not supposed to be on the road after 8. So but the other day when my friend tell me say him a pass in car and see one man jump out in car and one girl up on her phone and hug up the girl and take away her phone and push down the girl and run back in her vehicle. So guys, now we're gonna be careful on the road. The people them might get hungry. So I beg you now, be careful on the road. So I'm going to know one story time of my little experience, my little bad experience that I have one night, and I will never walk to watch again in a night. But do it in a day, but I never did it in a night, yeah. So guys, I would like you to be careful on the road. And I would like you to like, subscribe, share with your friends the story time if you like it. And yeah guys, so this is Bianca Entertainment. This is your girl Tyra, and it's a wrap and zoop.
Show me no all like Papa P, like fuck up P. Heavy when me roll up, y'all tap a pre. Jazz a fi Japanese, beat up the property. Me no fi joke like a maca tree. Chew me ting a go and go chew a shakka deep.